Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Anybody recognise this?
Yes, it's a Bromeliad.
Now, last year this was beautiful. This here was a flower spike, but now look, there it is. It's all died, gone crispy. So that you would call the mother plant. But lucky for me, it's had these little babies, or they call them pups, around the edge. It's got one there, and another two around the other side. Now, if I'm lucky, very careful, I can prise these off and they'll make me new plants. So I'm gonna just try. I'll take one off and see how we get on. I don't want to disturb the roots too much, although they don't really depend on their roots so much, because they're sort of a jungle plant, if you like. They like high humidity, and the roots mainly are just to keep them upright wherever they're growing. So this, hopefully, the longer you can leave these pups on the mother plant, the better chance they have of growing. So I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. I'm trying to gradually just pull this one apart. It's nearly there. And if I can just get in there a little bit and just nick it off, cut it off with a sharp knife, and we might be in business. I'll do that a little nick there. It is actually tougher than I would have thought, to be honest. It'd be nice if it's got root, but if it doesn't have root, not to worry, because it should grow some. A little bit more of a cut in there, and there we go. That'll be our new plant. Hasn't really got much in the way of root, but that'll be a new plant. So we'll grow that on, and also we'll see what the others are doing. Have a better look at now it's all apart. Oh, I see where we are now. A little bit more of a slice around there. And we've got another one. So I'm going to leave it at 2 for the moment. Take off this leaf here that we don't need. Take a pot. We'll put some compost in this pot. Just need a bit more. Touch more, there we go. Plant that in there. And there we go. I've got another plant, another Bromeliad. Probably not this year, well, it might be this year, I don't know, but I'm hoping that maybe this year it might flower and it'll be a great big plant, a great big new plant. So I've just got to plant this other one on, and that'll do. There you have it, how to propagate a Bromeliad. Just gives that a little spray like that, keep the top part of it nice and moist, and there it is guys, one new Bromeliad plant. Just needs a little bit of time to grow, and it should have a lovely flower on it. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I've got a lot of very interesting videos, and I'd love for you to see them all. Thanks again. See you next time, and bye.